Hello, friends. Garlic. Sharp. Bold. Irresistible. Here in the Philippines, this simple clove is taking on a new flavor and a new business life. We'll see where every jar of pickled garlic is crafted by hand with care, tradition, and just the right amount of crunch. We are in the city of Tarlac. It's about a 2-hour drive from Manila. We're stepping inside the factory to see exactly how handmade pickled garlic is made, from farm fresh produce to the jars you see on the shelves. Let's go see. The production area is considered a clean room, and the company maintains good manufacturing processes. Sangkutsa sources its produce directly from trusted farms, ensuring that every clove meets their strict quality standards. Once the garlic arrives at the factory, the clock starts ticking. Freshness is key, and every step is timed for flavor. The produce is weighed and accounted for, then the garlic moves into the processing floor immediately. Here, Sangkutsa Food Products is turning humble garlic into something extraordinary. The first step is peeling. The bottom part of the garlic cloves are cut off prior to blanching. Then comes blanching, a 1-minute dip in hot water to soften the texture and prepare the cloves for peeling and pickling. This is how Sangkutsa Foods makes garlic golden, and how good taste becomes good business. In this episode, we learn about how pickled garlic is made, a taste of Filipino home shared with the global market. Sangkutsa's advantage lies in efficiency, labor, locally sourced ingredients, in-house processing, and clever branding under the Pik-a-Pikel label. Their slogan, "Everything and anything, pickled," turned a niche into a national brand. With halal and FDA certifications, Pik-a-Pikel has found its way to export catalogs, gourmet stores, and the luggage of every OFW, bringing a taste of home abroad. Peeling the garlic is done manually to retrieve the high-value component that is the garlic clove.
I'm Jay Pedro. I'm the Managing Director for Sales and Marketing sa Sangkutsa Food Products Incorporated.
Pik-a-Pikel pickled garlic, a blend of flavor and Filipino ingenuity. It's not just food, it's a story of how one company transformed garlic harvests into world-class products, jar by jar. There are two jar sizes, the 240 gram and 740 gram. Each jar is packed solid with the weight of garlic. The signature Pik-a-Pikel brine comes to life. A balanced mix of water, vinegar, sugar, and salt cooked together until 100 degrees centigrade. Each jar is filled with the brine that covers every garlic clove. Each jar goes through vacuum capping. It is blown with compressed air to blow away excess moisture.
Okay. So, available yung product namin in most major supermarkets like SM, Robinsons, Landers, SNR, Walter Mart, yung mga ganong mga supermarket. Then, sa online din, meron. Sa Lazada. Sa TikTok, meron din kami. Nag-export na rin kami sa ibang bansa. Sa US, Australia, the Middle East. Yan.
All the jars get wiped down. From pickled mango to salsa, and now garlic, Sangkutsa proves that Filipino craftsmanship can compete on the global shelf. Pickling began as a way to extend shelf life. Today, it's a symbol of local pride. Each Pik-a-Pikel jar carries that story. Filipino hands, Filipino flavors, and Filipino entrepreneurship. And the jars are now ready for boxing. Waiting for the perfect pickle. The jars rest in a cool, dark room for at least 3 days. This is the 3-day staging. Each batch undergoes strict quality checks, like shelf life stability. For Sangkutsa, the real success isn't just in sales, it's in every table that opens a jar and tastes home. The fresh garlic becomes a tangy, aromatic delicacy ready for shelves across the Philippines, and soon the world. Behind every jar is a calculated recipe, not just for flavor, but for profit. For this team, the goal isn't just to pickle, it's to preserve the flavor, the livelihood. This is how Sangkutsa Foods makes garlic golden, and how good taste becomes good business. If you loved this story, hit like and subscribe for more untold stories from the heart of the Philippines. Know someone with a story like this? Tell us in the comments. Let us know what you would like to see.
So sa mga gustong makabili at makatikim ng products namin, pwede nyo kaming mabili sa Shopee and Lazada. Ang brand namin is Pik-a-Pikel. Meron din kami sa social media, Facebook and Instagram and TikTok. Pwede rin kayong mag-order doon sa Pik-a-Pikel, ang aming handle. Meron din kaming website, www.pikapikel.com.